This huge resort and other property is of 340 acres. This property is surrounded by greenery, lake view, dam and resort. You are most welcome to our spacious and one of the best property in India. Here we have huge plots, temples, villas, resort, forest and more amazing locations. You are most welcome to our property. We have devoted to the worship of a god with the temple of Hanumanji. Moreover, we have a huge garden which is surrounded with colorful flowers and has an amazing mesmerizing view. We also have a huge villa to reside. Which is fully furnished with 4 bedrooms, 2 restrooms and a kitchen. Moreover, balcony of bedrooms are equipped with the lakeside view. Wherein here is a huge sitting area with the ambient light interior which is peaceful to see, relax or enjoy your beautiful moment. We welcome you with our warm heart. The garden area is surrounded with colorful flowers. Also it has the mesmerizing view with the hill point, which can be seen from the garden. Moreover, it also has a pool where you can dive in and relax. The pool and the rain dance is an add-on like a cherry on the cake, wherein you could swim your worries away. A state of anger is caused by a lack of food. To avoid it, visit our food corner where you can interest in vegetarian and non-vegetarian cuisines. You could enjoy the dine in our rooftop with the astonishing view. Here we also have the gym for the gymholics. Which further includes of indoor games to spend your precious time with the kids and adults. Playing indoor games and spending a precious moment with your family. The best part is right here. Rooms which are equipped with the private pool and a attractive nature view. Orange Villa. They are equipped with the double-size bed, which is added with the bathtub. We have amazing rooms for your stay, which has the theme of Jungle Villa. They are equipped with the double-sized bed. Moreover, the balcony view would make you feel like the heaven view. There is a selfie you would want to post. Do not worry. We also have a dedicated point for it. Just in case you have a huge family, then we also have the options of a family room, which includes multiple beds. We have a safe side helipad for amazing shots in your film or in your wedding. The resort includes of the safe side helipad, which could be used for different purpose. These plots makes this place beautiful. One could plan a dream wedding with this divine view. Moreover, a budget movie would be a brilliant idea. Moving on to the valley, where we have a lot of space, where you could manage to do amazing sets for wedding and many more things as per your requirement. Moving on to the valley, where we have a lot of space, where you could manage to do a movie shooting and many more things as per your requirement. This is a dam which is created by nature and adds a cherry on the cake to our resort. Heading towards the valley, we have an extended space here where you could manage to do a movie shooting along with the action scenes. An amazing set for the wedding would be a great idea.